So, good day, sir, and good day, everyone. We are the Group 8, and I am Pahunari Lin. So, our topic is all about the manufacturing system, which has a shop production, batch production, mass production, lean manufacturing, and GIT, just-in-time manufacturing. So, first thing is, what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is a collection of integrated equipment, people, and process used to convert raw materials into finished goods or services. It encompasses the entire process from acquiring raw materials to assembling and distributing the final product, and includes components like production machines, material handling system, computer control system, and human resource. So manufacturing system is overall process nga sa mga kagamitan or technology dayon, which is ang mga tawo mag-help or magtinabangay sa paghimo sa product gikan sa like raw materials until sa mahimo nga gamit na siya para ready to mabaligya. And then manufacturing is the organized method a company uses to produce goods. So mag-combine siya sa machines and equipment, workers, materials, information, process, or methods. These elements work together to transform raw materials into finished products efficiently, consistently, and at the desired quality and cost. So, ang simple term sa manufacturing system is how a factory makes products from start to finish na makita na good na siya or ready to sold na.
So next is the key components of manufacturing system. So first is production machines. So these are the equipments na gina-use para ma-process or ma-assemble ang product. This can be used as a manual or automated. Next is material handling systems. This equipment and process nga nag-transport sa mga pyesa and parts sa mga workstations gamit ang mga conveyors and robots. Example sa conveyors nga mainly nga ginagamit is kanang chain conveyor para mag-transfer sa heavyweight like machines, pallets, and containers. This type of conveyor is floor-mounted or means nga kanang dili siya malihok-lihok, nara siya sa floor or sa ground gatapot. Then hinay po na siya mulihok. Next is computer systems. So this is used to control machines and to ensure the quality. Then next is human resource. These are the workers nga nag-operate o nag-maintain sa production system. Then next is functions of a manufacturing system. First is input. So diri is naga-receive og raw materials or like mga parts, orders, energy ug uban pa. Input is diri mag-start ang tanan. Next is transformation. So diri nga part is nagahimo ang operations like mechanical, chemical, and others. So diri is ang gihimo diri is naga-process na sila sa raw materials. So last is output. So diri from raw materials then gi-process siya after ana makita na nimo ang final product or anang service nga ready na for the customers.
The next one is manufacturing system can be classified based on factors like types of operations. Examples kay process, assembly, job, and batch. So, ang job and batch is madiscuss siya sa next reporter. And the second one is number of workstations. Examples kay single station or multi-station, which is mauna dira ang mga machines nga ginagamaan sa products. And then the next one is system layout. How the physical layout of the equipment is arranged. So, which means is arrange siya and organize sa pagplan sa system or mga kagamitan like sa machines, working area, storage para ma-sure nga smooth, and then tapos dali ra ang trabaho, wala na yung ma-delay. And then the next one is level of automation. So level of automation refers to how much of a process is performed by machines of computers instead of humans. Diri kay walay human or tawo ang ga work or ga help, like puro ra machines ang gagana sa paggama sa mga products. And then sa product variety, which is mo refer siya sa different types of models or version sa product nga gina-offer sa usa ka company para ma-meet ang diverse preference of customers, like muhatag ra sila sa customer nga options or para mapilian ang best nga gusto nila sa products if nga makuha po nila ang ilahang nga gusto.
And the next